So guys, so this is the EF to RF adapter. Mine is the JJRC with the filter inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out, and what I want to do is to make the hole bigger. Here is front is fine. The front is fine. It's just the back. This hole needs to be slightly bigger so I can put in my teleconverter. This is the teleconverter. This RF teleconverter, which you see, it's almost there, just that it needs to cut off the side here, right? Just dribble out the side. Use this dribble, and then I put in the sanding head, round one, to grind off the sides here and a bit of the top, slightly at the bottom, so that this can become a circle, full circle. Yep, so this is the sand head, so I need to on the current, and it goes there, and I need to reduce the speed a bit. This is fastest, this slowest. Let's try with the slowest and try to drill this. I won't be really accurate. I'm trying to see how well this goes. Yep. And look at the dust is all over the table and next to my camera. So good idea, right? Putting the camera next to where I'm going to do my work here. So the idea is, I'm not sure why these people, they deliberately don't allow you or make one that's circle. They deliberately make it not circle. It's just like they intentionally trying to stop you from putting the teleconverter in, right? So now we want to thin down this section. This one is done, this one is done. We can go a bit more, but it's actually enough. Why? This one needs to thin down a bit. Okay, looks pretty round. So I'm not sure here is enough or not. May need to thin it more, but we'll have a look and see. Let's open this up and see if it can go in. Yeah, it's pretty loose. That's the idea. So that's the red part, that's the dot, this is the red dot, and then this is where the point is. Right, so it should go in this way. Okay, finally grinded everything to circles, very thin already, and then plug it into the teleconverter and to the camera. Now the thing is to see whether it works, and then wow, this may not, because it's already hitting the lens. Oh, okay, it goes in. So let's see if it works. Yep, I have autofocus. Yep, can shoot. So it works. So that's with the teleconverter. So that's how it is. You have to grind it off quite a lot, and then make sure the circle is good, and then the teleconverter can go in. Okay, so now I gotta fix this, which means this is my UV filter. I don't need this. I'll take this glass out, and then I'll put it back in, and then only put the teleconverter. So that's how it works.